So now let us try to divide 3x power 4 plus 6x square plus 9x minus 1 with 3x square plus 4x minus 3. In this question, the difference is that the leading coefficient of divisor is not equal to 1. So let us start our division. The coefficients of the dividend are 3, x cube coefficient is 0, x square 6, 9 and minus 1. And the divisor has a leading coefficient of 3. So I write this 3. I write this 3 separately. And all the remaining coefficients, I change this sign. So my plus 4 becomes minus 4. And minus 3 becomes plus 3. So let us start our division process. What you need to remember is, at each stage, whatever is the number that comes here has to be divided by the leading coefficient. So now, if the leading coefficient is 1, 3 would have come down. So now 3 by 3, 1 comes down. Now using 1, do the multiplication. So you get minus 4 and 3. Now you have certain difficulties. You come across fractions now. Now if you have 0 minus 4, if the leading coefficient was 1, you would have got minus 4 down. But this time you have to get minus 4 by 3. Now using minus 4 by 3, do the multiplication. So minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 is 16 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 into 3 is minus 4. Now what is the number that you get here? 9 plus 16 by 3. So 27 plus 16, 37, 43. So 43 by 3. So the number that would come here is 27 plus 16 by 3. That is 43 by 3. So 43 by 3. So if the leading coefficient is 1, I would have got 43 by 3 here. But the leading coefficient is 3. I need to divide this by 3. So 43 by 9. Now we have come to the final stages. 43 by 9 into minus 4. Minus 160 plus 12 minus 172 by 9. And 3 into 43 by 9 is 43 by 3. So now we have two terms here. We have come to the last two terms. So this is the remainder term. So when you're calculating the remainder term, you don't need to divide by 3. So till the division is going on, you have to go on divide by 3. So now what is the remainder part? 9 minus 4 is 5 minus 172 by 9. 5 minus 172 by 9. So 45 minus 172. So 172 minus 45. 122 plus 5 is 127. So minus 127 by 9. And 43 by 3 minus 1 is 40 by 3. So these two terms correspond to the remainder term. These three terms correspond to the quotient. So quotient is equal to x square minus 4 by 3x plus 43 by 9. And the remainder is minus 127 by 9x plus 40 by 3. So I hope the process is getting clearer to you. Now you can use this Horner synthetic division as a shortcut to do your division process in different questions. Thank you.